Hi there. Welcome to your Oshvi Solutions Pharmacovigilance update. We are deep diving into PVQMS consulting and training, industry-ready pharma graduates. Drug safety is evolving rapidly. Here's what's changed in the last 30 days. First, regulatory shifts. In the EU, new PV guidelines mandate risk-based audits and require PSURS to show the effectiveness of risk minimization, increasing compliance pressure. These guidelines, especially on pregnancy exposure, impacts RMP updates and reporting changes. Meanwhile, in Brazil, the ANVISA-RDC No. 9672/5 regulation makes WIGI-MED mandatory for ADR reporting and requires E2BR3 compliance. There are no alternative systems allowed, moving PV to a more structured, data-driven, and faster timeline approach. Next, let's look at safety signals. The WHO and PAHO have issued a GLP-1 safety alert focusing on misuse for weight loss and counterfeit products, noting serious adverse events like pancreatitis and intestinal obstruction. Global monitoring is intensifying. Additionally, the EMA-PRAC has updated its signal for the IXCHIQ vaccine, finding a risk of aseptic meningitis, notably in healthy young adults, requiring a label update. On the recall front, the EU has withdrawn levamisole due to the risk of brain damage. In the UK, melatonin and a blood pressure drug have faced recalls for quality and packaging defects, highlighting those small errors equal big risks. Moving on to FDA actions, Novo Nordisk received a warning for delayed reporting, compliance gaps, and Argus database failures, indicating strict enforcement of the 15-day reporting rule. The FDA has also issued new PMRs for the Oshvi vaccine, mandating sentinel system monitoring and an SCRI study designed to focus on risks like Guillain-Barré syndrome and ADEM, shifting toward active surveillance. Finally, looking at the future of drug safety, AI is making significant inroads. The FDA EDSTM program is focusing on AI in case processing and predictive signal detection. The AI penetration trend for various processes in PV systems of major pharmaceutical companies is as depicted. The source collection for AI in decentralized clinical trials is moving from conventional sources towards wearable devices. The future of PV is automated and data-driven. Get in touch with us at oshvi.in to stay ahead. Thank you and see you next time.